And this is the first fall. Why did I fall? I think I got scared of falling down that small bridge into the water, and I moved my legs too much and couldn't stay on ground for a while. It was not too bad, but it was not necessary either. Of course, me holding up the camera didn't help at all. But that's life. We go on. We're not turning back. Let's continue. I'm making footpad sensors out of copper tape and velostat. Common part of the sensor and the left and the right sensor. Thing, we need to solder all the connections of the tape. I try to make it as flat as possible. I covered the central part with Kapton tape because I don't want it to work in the center. I want to have the left and the right sensor separated. And this is how I made the second sensor, so it is more sensitive on the sides of it. Next thing, I will cover this with velostat. It's a material that gets electrically conductive when force is applied on it. Let's see if it works. They are connected to the VESC. I'm gonna press on each of them. Let's see on the computer what happens. ADC2 is now pressed. ADC1 is now pressed. So they are both working. The values get to about 0.6 volts when I step on them. So I will adjust this to get a little bit higher with the resistors that are up here. We can cover them up with the grip tape now, and the foot pads are finished. And that's it. Foot sensors are done. approaching the second tunnel. It's blowing some crazy cold wind out of it. Let's see. Well, out of the tunnel, and there's our crazy downhill. I need to take this one very slow. Part. I'm gonna turn off the camera now because this part is boring.